Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to bring you an update on XRP, our buy and go to the beach project that we outlined many moons ago for you in this channel. So just once again, thank you for your continued support across the channel here. Everything you do, sharing is caring. Really do appreciate all the people that are sharing the videos, bringing more people into the channel there, obviously, because it's growing and we're almost at 60,000 subs right now, and I just want to thank you personally. And yeah, it's all good, it's all golden, okay, it's all golden. I really do appreciate your subscription and the really nice comments that you make on the videos there across CoinsKid. So it's all good, thank you. So diving into XRP, like I said to you so many times, we've not got a crystal ball, okay? We can't see into the future, but the charts do not lie, okay? Show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. And that's basically, remember that. It's a little saying, okay? So far, so good. Everything's playing out to a T. We broke down out of this horizontal triangle, which we did say to you yesterday is usually 9 times out of 10 it's a continuation trend, okay? And you fell into it. You come down into it, you're doing this, and then eventually you break out. There was a bit of a fake out that I noticed yesterday where it come up and it hit its head. I mean, that was a fantastic opportunity right there for anyone that's involved. You know, do anticipate that in the future, because personally I opened a short just there, okay, because I knew it was getting rejected and the wick was telling me that you was looking, that the selling pressure was stepping in and you were going to fall out. And basically right now, boom, target met. Do you see that? Perfect. People in the Telegram group there, I salute each and every one of you. It's not financial advice, but for those of you who've took this level of education and you watch this video and you've put some cheeky bids in, because for weeks now, you know, CoinsKid has been saying put some cheeky bids in down there, because it will come down there and it will bounce, okay? So far, so good. But we're not out of the woods yet, and I will always be transparent with you, okay? Always be transparent with you and tell you how I see it. So right now you can see that if you'd have put some cheeky bids in down there, you would currently be up roughly 21% for XRP. And that's great. Look at this little recovery we've got going on. But like I've said to you in so many videos and so many updates, when you lose support, it becomes resistance. And this was a key level of support. Do you see this? Because what it was a swing high there. And it gone up and it had already backtested it, forming the base of this horizontal triangle. And when it fell through, look, you've seen it sort of hovered around it and boom, went through. It actually went down, come back up, and then fell through. Do you see that? So this now is acting as a key level of resistance, because it was support turned into resistance. This is a key level of support down here, this particular level, which is sort of the swing low, which is the golden ratio on the weekly time frame as well, okay? So that's how we've come to this prediction, and I will just show it you quickly just to give you a little refresh for those of you that are new to the channel, or if you've not actually seen this update before. Zoom out on a weekly time frame. This is what we're anticipating for XRP, okay? And some people say we're mad and some people say we're crazy, but so far every single prediction, every single thing that we've said when XRP were down here has come to fruition, has come true, okay? So fingers crossed, everything's looking golden, okay, for continuation. So basically you got the bullish cross on the weekly time frame. That's a major signal from CoinsKid to buy and go to the beach. That's a signal in a bullish bull market that towards the end of a bear market, when you get that signal on the weekly time frame where the 20 crosses the 55, that's your buy and go to the beach signal right there, of just, you know, get involved, basically, not financial advice. So from that point there, you can see that XRP's just marched on. We had this capitulation event, obviously around the Spark token there, the airdrop, and then obviously that SEC ruling and everything like the court case contributed towards that downturn. True capitulation in the floor, and then since then we've gone on, we've formed this first wave of this Elliott wave theory. We then had the second wave pullback just here, which we're going through right now. Do you see this second wave pullback before we get in this mega third wave up to our price prediction up there, which is an extension? It's Fibonacci retracement extension up to the 1414, okay? And then after that, because what it made that all-time high over there, come back down, found a base, and then it's getting back through resistance to get to the all-time high, and then you have an extension. And basically that's our price prediction up there in this bull run, and then we hopefully, you know, after this big mega third wave, which we do believe is coming for XRP, after having this rather large correction just there down to that golden ratio, you see the box there we highlighted, it's come back down, and look, I mean, come on, look where it's touched, not blowing our own trumpet, look where that wick is, look where it is, boom, bang on. we're not got a crystal ball, okay, but you know, it was up there. I said to you, it's overextended, it's going to roll over, and the key level of support it needs to hold and potentially see it come back to is this particular level here, because it's hit this particular level a few times, and it's actually tested it once, but it's not tested this critical level of support ever. You know, so it does need to test that and hold, and lo and behold, it has tested that and hold. Right now, though, I'm going to be completely honest with you. It still could roll over here and form a deeper wave 2 correction down to the 050. You may see it fall through this yellow line. So again, full transparency, you may see it fall back, and you may see it come back and bang on this yellow line and get a touch off that, because if it doesn't, okay, and it goes on from here, it would not have touched this yellow line. And I would personally like to see that. Not financial advice, but I would personally like to see that, because that's what you see in previous bull runs. Okay, this, look, where it goes up, gets overextended, just there, gets overextended, rolls back, consolidates, touches base with a yellow line, which is a 20 EMA on a weekly time frame. Okay, goes up again, gets overextended. What does it do? It rolls back, consolidates, collapses. Oh no, it's going to 0, but no, collapses, corrects, and hugs as support the yellow line. It's not done that yet. It's a bit too overextended. So potentially, you know, I think that it might not necessarily be off to the races straight away. What it might do is consolidate, allowing this EMA to creep up and actually catch up with it, where it might do something like that, and it just gets a bit drab, a bit boring before going on with this third wave. So that's basically it for XRP. That's potentially what we're looking at. And again, if it does lose this key level of support right there, then do target it coming down and anticipate putting some bids on that yellow line right there, which is a 20 EMA on the weekly time frame, because I do believe it needs that. You do need to see that, because you only look at the previous bull run to see what it does, you know, for that next leg up. Okay, so that's XRP on the weekly time frame. So what we'll do, we'll jump back to the original chart there on the 4 hour. So yeah, you can see right now it's basically wick down, okay, to our target. It's coming back up and it's hitting its head on resistance. So do anticipate that if it can't get through this level of resistance right now, okay, because it's not going to perform a miracle where it's just going to go off to the races, unless I'm wrong. Okay, what you're going to continually do is potentially look at the EMA here on the 4 hour. It's still coming down, and if you do break through that, you potentially hit your head, and it's just going to continue push you down. So you could see that further downside for XRP, where it sort of does something like this. Okay, gets a bit boring, gets a bit flat, and then allow that weekly EMA on 20 EMA there on a weekly time frame to actually catch up with it and get that test of support before continuation to the upside. And obviously, do anticipate if it does fall through this level now, okay, at 0.92, do anticipate that it potentially come down to this yellow line, which currently sits at 66 cents. But obviously, as time goes on, this particular key level of support, the yellow line, which is a 20 EMA on the weekly time frame, which obviously I'm going to be transparent with you, I am anticipating it does require a touch. It does need that touch for confirmation in this bull market before it gets that third mega wave up in this Elliott wave theory here. So that's basically XRP. Just a little update for you. So far so good. It's corrected exactly how we said it would do, and it's conforming to that Elliott wave theory, and so it's looking golden. Take care everyone, have a good weekend, and I'll be back tomorrow with another XRP update for you. Bye bye.